What is going on, YouTube? And we back for another one. Corey Norris, and thanks for taking the time to check out this video. Please stay to the end. If you do, got a special little bonus for you. Alright, let's get to it. So this is another my lead gen secret update, and man, has it been rocking. It's really been rocking. A lot of people have been having great success with the leads out of my lead gen secret. So what this is a mailer based platform. Once you join, $60 one time, it's $30 monthly charge. You're gonna get 100 home based leads, and also when you sign up someone through my lead gen secret, you're gonna get 200 bonus home based leads that is working in the field today. People are making great sales with using my lead gen secret. So every day you get 100 leads on autopilot, and these leads are highly susceptible, and they are turning out great success for people who are promoting ClickBank offers. So if you have a ClickBank offer, a Warrior Plus offer, it's working really well with the leads inside of my lead gen secret. As you can see over in their Facebook group, as of August 15th, which is just a couple of days ago, Frank Calero says it has been 1,576 days since I worked out, since I forked out 61 times, then 30 monthly to get 100 to 200 new email leads per day on complete autopilot, and the ability to send emails to everyone on the list once a day. And while this program is not lighting the world on fire, it is averaging $59.66 per day in passive affiliate commissions. Man, that's awesome. Congratulations to you, Frank, on making your commissions with using my lead gen secret. These leads are very, very responsive. 97,905 leads submitted once, one timer. Give you a couple more little testimonies up here. Nels Mendoza says, hello there. I was always from ClickBank for a couple of months. I have resumed this week, and here is the results. Setting constant is very important. Staying consistent is very important. It is very important. If you start any home-based business or affiliate marketing opportunities or coaching, anything that you do online, you have to be consistent with it. It's never going to just pop over at night. Some people have to have great success and see something overnight, but it's not that much usable. And if you want to be able to have 100 leads per day and 200 bonus leads, so by you join up with my lead gen secret, I do have the link in the bottom in the description. You go over there, there's when you hit the link, you'll go to this video, watch the 8-minute video explaining how it got started, why it's here, and how it can help you in your home-based business with leads. Because leads and having leads that convert is very important to your offer and your online business. So if you're ready to change your situation in your online and home-based business with 100 leads on autopilot every day that you can mail out to every 24 hours, my lead gen secret is the best way to go when it comes to getting leads on autopilot, so that way you can get more eyeballs to your business and your opportunity. I'm going to keep it short, and again, the link is in the bottom of the description. Get started, check out this video, this free video, sign out your information, and get started. Grab those leads, man. They hot. They hot. I'm telling you, they hot. We're enjoying having success with these leads. All right, I'm Corey North. This is my segment on My Lead Gen Secret. Remember, ClickBank Warrior Plus offers are running hot with these leads. All right, you guys have a nice day. Get out here. Go do something. Go have fun with your kids. I know I am.